Inaasahan na ang deliberasyon at botohan sa plenaryo ng Kamara kaugnay ng approval sa House Committee Report No. 261 at House Resolution No. 989 na nagtatakda ng Articles of Impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa Lunes, May 11, 2026. Mauuna ang sponsorship speech ng pangunahing author o may akda sa ulat at resolusyon na si House Justice Committee Chairperson at Batangas 2nd District Representative Jervy Luistro. Susundan ito ng interpellation o pagtatanong ng mga House member bago ang botohan.
Well, the only preparation that we have is by doing an individual reading of all the materials necessary for us to have a deeper understanding of the allegations of offenses, no? Sa akin naman, it is merely reporting in the plenary that is for Monday, basically kung anong laman ng committee report. That will be the same substance that you will be hearing from me when I deliver my sponsorship speech. As to the number of interpellators, I don't have any idea, but I anticipate that it will be the same questions which were discussed during the justice proceedings.
Kabilang naman si House Senior Deputy Minority Leader at mamayang Liberal Party List Representative Leila De Lima sa naghahanda para sa deliberasyon.
We're just reviewing the committee report again, reviewing the committee report, reviewing the resolution, setting forth the articles of impeachment.
Sa panuntunan ng Kamara sa impeachment proceedings, roll call ang botohan para sa approval ng resolusyon. Ang magtatala ng boto ng bawat House member ay ang Secretary General. Kapag hindi bababa sa 106 na mga kongresista ang bumoto ng pabor sa committee report at resolusyong nagtatakda ng Articles of Impeachment, mangangahulugan ito ng impeachment ni VP Duterte. I-endorso ang Articles of Impeachment sa Senado para sa isang paglilitis. Maghahalal din ang plenaryo ng Kamara ng 11 miyembro bilang impeachment prosecutors. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.